In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your user account in Hubspot. Whether you're moving on from Hubspot or just no longer need the account, it's important to know how to properly close it to ensure your personal information is managed securely. Let's go through the process together and make sure everything is clear and straightforward. First, you'll need to head over to the Hubspot website. You can do this by opening your browser and typing in hubspot.com into the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to locate the Login button. This is generally found at the top right corner of the web page. Clicking this will direct you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. So go ahead, enter your details and log into your Hubspot account. Now that you're logged in, it will bring you to your Hubspot home. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to look for your profile icon. This is usually found at the top right of the screen, perhaps represented by an image or silhouette. Clicking on this icon will bring up a menu with various options. It's here that you'll select Profile. With that clicked, the next menu you'll navigate to is Account and Billing. This section is where HubSpot stores all your account related preferences. From here, our next step is crucial. You will find an option that says Delete Account. Clicking here will lead you to the final step in this process. Once you've found the delete account option in the account and billing section, another prompt will appear, usually confirming your intention to delete the account. Be sure to read any additional information provided, as this will confirm what data will be deleted and any potential ramifications of removing your account. By clicking delete account in this final screen, you're effectively confirming your request to close the account. It's a simple yet irreversible process, so make sure that you have considered all factors and are sure about your decision before taking this step. Before we wrap up, it's worth mentioning a couple of factors you might need to consider. Make sure you have a backup of any crucial data you may need before you proceed with account deletion, as you won't be able to recover it afterwards. Also, if you have any active subscriptions or associations with other accounts through HubSpot, ensure these are cancelled or transferred before you proceed. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to deleting your user account in HubSpot. I hope this video has been helpful. If you found the information clear, consider leaving a comment or subscribing for more instructional content. Thank you for watching and have a great day.